cover the topic drawing solids on a flat surface of the chapter 15, visualizing solid shapes. So like in the last class we have solved this exercise 15.1. so the next topic after this, so play this game now. You and your friend sit back to back. One of you reads out a net to make a 3D shape, while the other attempts to copy it and sketch or build the described 3D objects. Now, your drawing surfaces is a paper which is a flat. When you draw a solid shape, the images are somewhat distorted to make them appear three-dimensional. So it is a visual illusion. So you find here two techniques to help you. So if you can see here, this figure 15.11 is given. So oblique sketches. So here is a picture of a cube. It gives you a clear idea of how the cube looks like when seen from the front. You do not see certain faces. So in the drawn picture, the lengths are not equal. As you can see here, the lengths are not equal as they should be in a case of a cube. Still you are able to recognize it as a cube. Such a sketch of a solid is called an oblique sketch. How can you draw such sketches? Let us attempt to learn the technique. You need a squared lines of the dot paper. Initially practicing to draw on these sheets, later make it easy to sketch them on a plain sheet without the aid of the square line or the dot. So look here. So in this, the first step is what we are doing, draw the front face we are drawing here. Then step 2, draw the opposite face. Yes, so we can see we have drawn the opposite face in the same way. Sizes of the faces have to be the same, but the sketch is somewhat offset from step 1. Now then what we are doing in the third step, joining the corresponding corners. We are joining the corresponding corners. Now we can see what we are getting here. Redraw using the dotted lines for hidden edges. So these are the hidden edges we have. Yes, we have drawn the dotted lines here. So it is the convention. Now the sketch is ready now. So now we can see this and we can easily tell this is a cube, though the dimensions are not equal here, but still we can recognize that it is a cube. So this is known as oblique sketch. Then so in the oblique sketch above, did you note the following? The sizes of the front face and its opposite are same. Yes, front and the opposite are same. So we can see top and the bottom are same, side and the side are same. The edges, which are all equal in a cube, appears so in the sketch, though the actual measures of the edges are not taken so. So you could now try to make the oblique sketches of the cuboid. Remember the faces in this cases are rectangles. So when we make the rectangle, now note also you can draw the sketch in which measurements also agree with those of a given solid. To do this we need to know an isometric sheets. Let us try to this. Okay, now make a cuboid with the dimension 4 cm length, 3 cm breadth and 3 cm height on a given isometric sheet. Okay, let us see now isometric sketches. So have you seen in isometric dot sheets, a sample is given at the end of the book. So such a sheet divides the paper into small equilateral triangles. So make up of dots or the lines to draw the sketches in which measurements also agree with those of the solid. So we use isometric dot sheets. So let us attempt to draw the isometric sketches of a cuboid of dimension 4 into 3 into 3. So let us see this. This is 1 2 3 4. This is 3. So this is 4 into 3. Now then we are doing 4 into 3 into 3. Then we are taking this as 3. So step 1 is draw the rectangle to show the front face. Then draw the rectangle to show the front face. Then draw the parallel line segments of the length 3, starting from the 4 corners of the rectangle. Line from the corners of the rectangle. From this corner, from this corner, from this corner. 3 only. 1 2 3 dots we have to move. Okay, now so connect the making corners with the appropriate line segments. Then what we are getting, this is an isometric sketch of the cuboids. This is isometric sketch. So now note that the measurements are of exact size in an isometric sketches. This is not so in the case of oblique. So oblique there is no such measurement, but here they are measurement In the same way, so it means they are isometric. So if we see here, this is given 6 3 3, so this is an oblique sketch. Now we have to make accordingly this. So this is isometric sketch. So here is an oblique object of the cuboid, we can see here. Draw an isometric sketch of that matches this drawing. So here is the solution, we can see here. So this is 6 3 3, so we have taken 3 dots 3 dots 3 dots. This is 6 6 6, so it's easy. Now so after this we'll solve the exercise 15.2, and we solve the exercise 15.2 in the same. Start the exercise 15.2 of the chapter 15, visualizing solid shapes. Now in the question number 1, use isometric dot paper and make an isometric sketches for each of the given shapes. So we can see here, so we are using the isometric this. Okay, so the first part, as you can see here, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So in the same way we are taking here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 dots. So likewise then if we see here in this, so this is 1, like this we are taking, so in the same we are taking this 2. Then in the same way we see the length is 1 2 3 here, so we are taking here the 3, and likewise. So what we are doing in the dimensions are given, accordingly we are making the isometric sketch. In the same way here it is given 2 3 4 6, as you can see here that the dimension 2 3 3 and 6 are given. So accordingly we are making here, like we can see here 2 dots here, we are taking 3 here 3 here, then 6 here. So likewise we can easily make this. Then in the third also, in the third part in the same way, so here the sides are given, if not given, so we can just consider this. Otherwise it is given in all the question, the sides are given. So according to the sides we are taking the dots. If we are saying 3, then we are taking 3 dots. If they are saying 4, we are taking 4 dots. If they are saying 5, we are taking 5 dots. So on the basis of these figures, so what we have drawn here in the oblique ones, so we are drawing in the isometric. So according to the dimensions we are taking the dots and then just forming the lines. So then if we see in the question number 2, so what we have in the question number 2, so if we see in the question number 2 here, the dimensions of a cuboid are 5 3 and 2. Draw 3 different isometric sketches of this cuboid. Okay, so we can see here so this is a given with different dimensions. Now we can see here so we are taking here 2, then 5, then 3. So in this way we are making, then we can take it 2 3 and 5 like this. We are taking here 2 3 and 5 like. So in the different ways we can make this isometric sketches. Then moving towards the question number 3. In the question number 3 what we have, so in the question number 3, if we see the question number 3, 3 cubes each with the 2 cm edge are placed side by side to form a cube. Sketch a oblique or isometric sketch of this cuboid. So looking here, oblique and isometric, so what we are doing here, so oblique we are making this 2 2 2, we are adding this 2, then this is 2 this is 2, this is what we are making. And in the isometric if you see here, we have taken here 2, then again 2 2 2 2 2. So in this way we can make both the sketches, oblique as well as isometric. Then the question number 4, if we see question number 4 is make an oblique sketch for each one of the given isometric. Now isometric shapes are given, we have to make the oblique one. So if you look here, so if we see here, so accordingly, yes, if you see a 2 we are taking like this, then we like this. Then if you see here dots 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6, so taking 1 2 3 4 5 6, accordingly we are making them the oblique sketches of the given isometric sketches. Then moving towards the next question, again what is given to us, it is again given an oblique sketch and an isometric sketch for each of the following a cuboid of dimension 5 3 and 2. If your sketch is unique, is your sketch in unique, a cube with the edge 4. So if you look here, so just looking here what we have seen here, just yeah, so we can see here 5 3 and 2, this is what we make oblique sketch. Now isometric we can see here, so again the same time with the same dimensions we are making this. Then again then we are making a cube with the side 4, so we can see a cube. So again isometric we can see here. No, so in the same way, now in the question number 6, an isometric sheet is attached to the end of the book. If you try to make on it some cubes or the cuboids of dimensions specified by a French then cubes and cuboid shapes are on isometric sheets given below. So we can see here in this way we can make so many things on this isometric sheet. So we can make cuboids now with the different angles, we can make the different things, so we have make so many things out of this. So in the same way you can also do. Okay, so thank you very much.